Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is the ultimate drone for beginners, hobbyists, and aerial imaging enthusiasts. Weighing just 249 g, it bypasses FAA registration requirements while offering a safe and intuitive flight experience. Built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors give peace of mind, helping you avoid collisions and enjoy worry-free flying. Equipped with a high-quality camera, the Flip captures stunning 4K 60 video and stills in either 12MP or 48MP. Photographers and videographers can shoot in DNG format for raw photos or use the flat D-Log-M video profile to fine-tune color and exposure in post-production, ensuring professional-level results. The DJI Flip is versatile in its control options. Fly using the included dedicated remote with LCD, your smartphone or tablet via the DJI app, or directly on aircraft controls. With a compact size of 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 inches and rotors designed for smooth flight, it's easy to transport and perfect for spontaneous adventures. Ideal for first-time pilots, the DJI Flip balances simplicity, safety, and performance. Its lightweight build, integrated obstacle sensors, and propeller guards make it beginner-friendly, while its 48MP camera and 4K 60 video elevate your creative possibilities. Whether capturing cinematic aerial footage, exploring the skies for fun, or diving into drone photography, the DJI Flip is a reliable companion that combines cutting-edge technology with effortless usability. Key specs. Weight, 8.8 ounces. Rotors, 4. Video, 4K 60, D-Log-M. Photo, 12MP/48MP, DNG and JPG. Controls, smartphone app, dedicated remote. Live video feed, 1080p. Storage, internal plus microSD. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is an exceptional entry-level drone that combines compact design, impressive camera performance, and intelligent flight features. Weighing just 249 g, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it perfect for hobbyists and recreational flyers. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 delivers a stable flying experience with GPS stabilization, return-to-home functionality, and Find My Drone, ensuring your flights are safe and stress-free. Capture stunning aerial content with the Mini 3's 4K 30 camera, capable of switching seamlessly between widescreen and vertical video modes, ideal for YouTube, TikTok, and social media. The camera also tilts up 60 degrees for versatile perspectives, while f1.7 optics ensure clear and vibrant shots in low-light conditions at dawn or dusk. Photographers will appreciate the ability to shoot 12MP photos in JPG or RAW DNG formats, offering flexibility for creative editing. With up to 38 minutes of flight time per battery, the Mini 3 lets you explore and capture more without frequent interruptions. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the dedicated remote control with LCD or smartphone app options gives you full control over every flight. Licensed pilots will also benefit from remote ID support, making the Mini 3 suitable for monetized projects when paired with the extended battery. Key specs. Weight, 8.8 ounces. Dimensions, 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 inches. Rotors, 4. Camera, 12MP, 4K 30, HDR, vertical and landscape video. Media, microSD. Controls, dedicated remote with LCD, smartphone app. Live video feed, 1080p. Perfect for beginners, content creators, and licensed pilots, the DJI Mini 3 makes aerial photography and videography effortless and fun. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that high-quality drones aren't limited to a single brand. This compact 249G quadcopter avoids FAA registration requirements, making it an excellent choice for beginners, hobbyists, and licensed pilots alike. Despite its small size, the Atom 2 packs powerful features, including a 4K 30 camera stabilized on a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, cinematic footage. Capture crisp stills at 12MP or 48MP, with the option to shoot in RAW DNG format for professional editing. With a robust 32-minute flight time per battery, the Atom 2 gives you ample opportunity to explore, shoot, and refine your aerial photography skills. It includes a dedicated remote control, providing precise maneuverability and a more tactile flying experience than app-only control. For recreational flyers, its lightweight build and simple controls make it a fun and accessible option, while licensed pilots benefit from the integrated remote ID module, enabling professional use such as real estate photography, monetized content creation, and stock footage production. Although the Atom 2 doesn't include obstacle avoidance, its responsive controls, stable flight performance, and long battery life make it forgiving for beginners willing to practice careful flying. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to transport, and compatibility with microSD cards ensures you can store and share your high-resolution images and 4K videos effortlessly. Key specs. Weight, 8.8 ounces. Dimensions, 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 inches. Rotors, 4. Camera, 48MP, 4K 30, RAW DNG. Media, microSD. Controls, dedicated remote with app. Live video feed, 1080p. The Potensic Atom 2 is a versatile, beginner-friendly drone that brings professional-level imaging to an accessible and lightweight package. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is the perfect companion for beginners, selfie enthusiasts, and casual drone pilots looking for a lightweight, easy-to-fly drone. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, it avoids FAA registration requirements and is safe to launch and land from the palm of your hand. Built-in propeller guards add an extra layer of safety, while automated flight paths make capturing photos and videos effortless. Equipped with a 4K camera and 12MP stills, the DJI Neo records smooth, steady footage ideal for social media sharing. The integrated gimbal ensures your shots remain stable even during flight, while the 1080p live video feed allows real-time monitoring of your aerial shots. Although its video profile isn't as advanced as other DJI drones, it offers impressive performance for the $199 starting price, making it an excellent entry-level choice. The Neo can be flown manually using the smartphone or tablet app, or you can enhance your control with a dedicated remote, sold separately, for a more tactile experience and extended range. Selfie takers will appreciate the on-drone controls, which let you capture quick selfies and short videos without connecting to an app or remote. With a compact 1.9x 5.1x 6.2-inch frame and 18-minute flight time, the DJI Neo is portable, fun, and easy to operate. Its lightweight design, automated features, and affordability make it an excellent option for anyone looking to explore aerial photography or add a new perspective to their social media content. Key specs. Weight, 4.8 ounces. Dimensions, 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches. Rotors, 4. Camera, 12MP, 4K, gimbal stabilized. Media, internal. Controls, smartphone/tablet app. Live video feed, 1080p. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. Experience the thrill of flying like never before with the DJI Avata 2, an FPV drone designed to put you in the pilot's seat. By streaming an ultra-low latency live feed directly into its micro OLED goggles, the Avata 2 delivers an immersive first-person view, letting you navigate tight spaces, perform flips, barrel rolls, and breathtaking stunts, all from your living room or outdoor playground. Unlike traditional camera drones, FPV drones demand skill and precision, but the Avata 2 makes entry-level flight more approachable. Its motion-sensitive controller allows for intuitive maneuvering, and advanced hover and brake functions provide a forgiving flight experience, perfect for beginners eager to test their limits. Capture cinematic footage at 4K per 60 frames per second or ultra-smooth slow motion at 2.7K per 120 frames per second, creating jaw-dropping videos of your adrenaline-fueled flights. The included goggles deliver a crystal-clear view, with adjustable interpupillary distance and built-in diopter correction for users with vision issues, ensuring comfort during extended flights. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, they enhance immersion while keeping your eyes strain-free. For more advanced maneuvers, the optional DJI Remote Controller 3 allows full twin-stick control, letting experienced pilots perform extreme dives, sharp turns, and precision stunts. With the Avata 2, you get the perfect balance of adrenaline-pumping FPV excitement and beginner-friendly guidance, making it an ideal choice for thrill seekers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts looking to push their skills to the next level. Key specs: video, 4K 60/2.7K 120 fps. Camera, integrated with gimbal. Controls, motion controller/optional DJI RC3. Live feed, ultra-low latency micro OLED goggles. Flight style, FPV stunts and immersive racing.